Hey, it's Ree with WTI, and these are my new self-care must-haves. I'm telling you, they are incredible. I don't know about you, but there is nothing worse or more miserable than when my hands look and feel rough. So I became obsessed with finding things to bring an end to it, and these gloves by Clearbody have been so helpful. These have made a huge difference in how soft my hands look and feel. They have saved me time and self-care money. Because of the thoughtful design and upscale high quality of this glove, it allows my skin to breathe comfortably and for the moisturizer to do its job. And all that without my hands feeling warm. That's awesome. They come with 5 pairs. Yes, you heard me, 10 gloves and a laundry bag. So it makes keeping them bright white and in the best condition easy. These also come in 3 different sizes. I got these in a size small, and I found the sizing guide to be very helpful. All you have to do is make sure that your hand is very relaxed and measure it. That will give you the right size. If you find that you sleep better with looser fitting things, you might want to go one size up. It's nice because they have an elastic band, so even if they're just a little loose, they're going to stay on all night. These are so comfortable and easy to use that I find I'm even able to use them throughout the day. They are touchscreen compatible, so I can use them when I'm using my tablet or phone, and even driving to keep the benefits going. So, what's not to love about these gloves? I'm telling you, if you give them a go, you will find that they fit perfectly with your everyday self-care routine like I have. And that's my point of view.